So Great Holland is the author of the content that we're generously reusing by permission. And so he was basically a thought leader in industrial design. He ran his own industrial design shop at the time when he published it. And so he produced what's called the periodic table of forms, where he takes just a circle and a circle and then joins them together and says, I changed the different curve types to this. One where it's round around the edges. This one has no rounds, it's entirely hard. And over the course of 7 different iterations, it can take basically the same part, the same 2 holes, where he never actually goes on to talk about what this actually does. But it's so interesting in how he manipulates the curvature, how you as the person experiencing that curve make different inferences as to what it might be used for, what its worth is, your impressions about it, your emotions, whether this looks unrefined, whereas this looks very, very glossy and sophisticated. And it's all done just with manipulating curves. The greatest, starkest examples of where tonality is shown in the curvature is when we talk about this big 15-foot tall robot that's out right now. It's meant to look big and menacing, and it does. And one of the ways that it achieves that is if you look at it, it's all a bunch of hard angles. There's no curviness to it. It looks unrefined. It's meant to look crude and tough, and that's what we call a C0 curve. And if you contrast that with the more curvy elements of something, we actually talk about a C2 curve with what some of the design elements of you see in modern faucet designs. They're looking to exude things of sophistication, elegance, a consistency because it is fluid flowing. Those are things you see in C2, and so just by those curves, you just get different emotions.